Good morning, I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The S&P 500 experienced a pullback overnight as investors anticipated the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's keynote address at the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium. The broad index slipped 0.89%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended down 177.71 points, or 0.43%. The Nasdaq Composite shed 1.67% as technology stocks felt the brunt of Thursday's declines. Turning to the US sectors, all sectors besides real estate, financials and energy closed lower overnight. Technology was the worst performer, closing lower by 2.13%. Overnight's downturn marked a reversal from a recent recovery rally, which followed a market sell-off on August 5th. All three major indexes had initially traded higher during the session, but reversed course as bond yields rose and tech stocks struggled. The 10-year US Treasury yield climbed nearly 9 basis points to 3.863%, putting pressure on stocks. Market participants are eagerly awaiting Powell's speech on Friday, hoping for clarity on interest rate policy. While traders are generally expecting a rate cut next month, there is disagreement over the magnitude of the reduction. The Fed's July meeting minutes, released earlier in the week, indicated that most policymakers favoured a rate reduction at the September meeting, contingent on incoming economic data. In corporate news, Snowflake's stock plummeted 14.7% due to rising costs. Urban Outfitters experienced a decline of 9.6% after disappointing second quarter sales results. Peloton's stock surged 35% as the company's turnaround plan boosted sales for the first time in 9 quarters. Advanced Auto Parts shares plummeted 17% after missing earnings estimates by a wide margin. Zoom Video stock soared 13% after exceeding expectations for both earnings and revenue in the second quarter. And Tesla tumbled 5.7%, pacing all 7 of the Magnificent 7 lower. In the Australian landscape, Australian companies Accent Group, Latitude Group Holdings, Spark New Zealand, Ingham's Group are all scheduled to report their financial results today, Australian Eastern Standard Time. And the SPI futures are pointing to a 0.5% fall. Thank you for listening.